Hey guys, Keldius here, 2 here, and we have a pack opening, 6-pack opening from the packs I got from Christmas. And then this pack is just for the daily booster pack. So we'll just open this pack first. So, Flashfire, first pack. Wow, nothing. I had all these cards. Snorlax. Then we'll go to Freeze Fist. I'm really hoping for a secret rare Ultra Ball. Those go for like 75 packs. And then Fighting Energy. Oh, that's reverse. Not bad. Not much. Okay, next pack. Not much again. Jeez. Getting bad pulls today. Now on to the Plasma Freeze. Dang, nothing. Yeah, I'm not getting any good pulls. Come on, please. Good pull. Wow, that was a pretty bad pack opening. But thanks guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Peace.